It is a real restaurant with real customers, but the chefs here at the classroom are all students from Cardiff and Vale College. The idea is to create a real-world job environment and give the students the skills and confidence to work in some of the best restaurants in the UK.
I've always wanted to be a chef. I'm always in the kitchen back at home, and to be able to work in a full kitchen such as this one, I'm over the moon.
It's absolutely amazing. It's such a good experience to be here, and I just think there's so much you can learn just from being in here on a service day.
First of all, it was a bit like stressful trying to learn, but now it's like fun. It's something to look forward to.
We can actually go from working almost in the industry into actually working in the industry, which is pretty cool.
2 starters, 3 beef.
Their teacher is head chef Alex Smith, who's got 20 years' experience in some of the most prestigious kitchens and from working alongside Michelin-starred chefs.
We have 6 to 8 students a day coming in to learn and work alongside me for a real restaurant, so we're here to teach exactly how a real restaurant works, so when they go into the real world in a couple of years' time, they are ready for a real cooking environment.
It's not just the chefs that are currently in training, but the waiting staff are too. Thank you very much. And the college hope by showcasing the talent of the future, they'll make the restaurant a class above the rest.
We first of all want to be the best restaurant in Cardiff, obviously, but we would like to be the best restaurant in Wales, I suppose, that people travel to Cardiff and say, I must go to that restaurant, I must go to the classroom. And we want to train people up to a level that when they go out to work, people come to us and ask us for our students.
And today's customers seemed very happy.
It was amazing. I actually had the beef. It was so nice.
Fantastic food today, great service, fantastic venue, amazing view.
It's really surprising this is a training restaurant. Yeah, it's just amazing.
The classroom joins the likes of the Clink, another Cardiff training restaurant which is based at the prison. But the staff and the students here have got their sights set on becoming one of the best places to eat in the city. Nicola Hendy, ITV News, Cardiff and Vale College.